Okay. I kind of want like 2 low buns. So I've already teased everything and parted it. And then I'm going to just twist out and go up and under. And then I'm just gonna secure this right here with 2 bobby pins, crossing them, and then kind of pull this loose a little bit slowly so you don't pull out too much, and then kind of put another bobby pin again after you've pulled it loose. And then we'll do the same thing with this side and just pray that they match. Pull these 2 down and then you have these buns that I think are really fun. And I know my sister number 1 will make fun of my hair today because she'll think I look like Baby Spice, and number 2, she will make fun of these pants. But look, they unzip all the way. That's kind of fun, right? I don't know. Anyways, I feel like I'm dressed for fall and I'm ready for it to be cooler, and it's gonna rain, so I had to do something up. I hope you like this, and I hope you have a great day and wear pigtails.